Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you for the coming week's weekly horoscope, the forecast for this coming week, recommendations, predictions, discipline, task of the week. Let us start with Aries. Aries, this coming week, you'll be able to resolve number of your complications, problems, issues. You'll be able to achieve your desired result and also complete unfinished pending projects. You will experience a rise in your comfort, rise in your lifestyle. Life will be more comfortable as compared to past. This coming week, you'll get personal and professional rewards. Means acknowledgement. People have to appreciate you, recognize your ability, skill and knowledge. There will be a rise in professional and financial gain. There will be also a good factor that you'll be able to lot more creative and active. There will also be a feel-good factor and you'll have to be a lot more active and creative. You'll be quite content with your achievements, your rewards, as long as you keep refreshing your vision. There will be a number of professional achievements, new projects, new ventures, new ideas. Please keep in mind that more creative you will be, more creative you are, more you will be able to accomplish your goals. You'll be able to achieve dignified success, that too with your own ability and creativity. This particular week offers you some very unique rewards. This is the right time to start a new project, new venture, new business. If you want to launch something new, this is the right time. Aries, if you're applying for a new job or asking for a rise in your salary or wages, then you'll get the full support of your superior toward this particular matter. This particular week, however, is not good for your marriage relationship. There will be a number of different opinions between you and your partner. Maybe some sort of a debate or huge difference of opinion about this particular matter. If there is a development of any kind of living conflict in your relationship, then please resolve it with understanding and passion. So, without losing temper, you got to sort it out. This is not the time to initiate any type of argument or conflict in your marriage relationship or in your personal life. Please make sure that you invest passion rather than aggression and completely refrain from any sharp word or speech or remarks that could hurt the other person. Aries, remember, if there isn't anything good or positive that you have to say, then it is better to remain silent or quiet. This particular week will bring, especially for you, professional rewards, prosperity, and some sort of a unique opportunities that you got to sort it out, those particular job opportunities. If you're thinking of asking your boss for a rise, this is the right time. Go for it. Task of the week for Aries. If you can, please do this particular task. Visit temple, bare feet, again and again, whenever you have time. Try to keep 2, 4 or 6 solid silver balls in your pocket or bag. Take a copper coin, make a hole in the center, put a silver chain in it and wear it around your neck as a pendant. Now we're coming to the precaution of the week for Aries. Refrain from any living conflict or argument or harsh word or speech. Try not to invest any kind of aggression or annoyance in your personal relationship or in your living romance. Chant of the week, which you should do this particular week, if you can. Om Shri Ramaye Namah. Om Shri Ramaye Namah. Om Shri Ramaye Namah. Om Shri Ramaye Namah. This particular chanting is one of the most effective and unique chanting. Maharishi Bhrigus, this was the core chanting he used to do in his own days. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscopes. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more daily contents including monthly, yearly and astrological miscellaneous topics like Kal Sarp Yog, Pitra Dosh, Manglik Dosh, Saturn's effect. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also if you have any comments or suggestions or questions about yourself, why don't you send me an email, info@ prakashastrologer.com. Please leave me a comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond. Look after yourself. Until next time, I'll be back with a lot more contents. Take care.